Hey everybody, Adam Ranoff here. I am at the Wetland Park in Zhangye, and it's right after sunrise, about 8 o'clock in the morning. Not too early, but there's the Wetland Park. It's a national park, and as you can see, this is a giant park. It's beautiful in here, easy to get to, really close. Zhangye, to get to places, it's really easy. Everything is within like a $1 to $2 taxi range. This place has lakes and wetlands. They actually created this for the birds in here, and it's really, really nice. Super cold. Over here, they've got a lake and a lake house, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go over here and see what we got. See if there's anything good to photograph today. I see some shuttle buses going around. There's a lot of people here doing exercise. Chinese people love to get out and enjoy their day, even the blistering cold. Everybody's got big coats on just like me. All right, so I'm gonna go look for some birds. They said over here. So I'm gonna head this way, make my way over the bridges, and see if I can get some pictures of birds today. The main attraction here for me, the birds, are this basically a duck pond that they set up. Over here they have some guys who tend the area to make sure everything's okay. There's a couple of nests over here that they set up to keep the ducks in here. I've got lots of good pictures of some of the local ducks and the geese. I actually saw a coot that looked like an American coot, but hey, who knows? Those coots get everywhere. And there's birds all over in the trees. It's pretty nice. I'm on a little walkway here, little observation post out, and let me just show you a little bit of the here. Lots of good action. I'm going to keep shooting a little bit and then get out of here, because next stop I'm going to the Rainbow Mountains over in the Danxia Landforms Geo Park that they have, and see if I can get some good landscape shots over there. But yeah, this is going to be it for my birding in Zhangye. So from the duck pond, signing out. All right, take care, guys. I just want to throw out a huge endorsement, shout out kudos, whatever you want to call it, to the guys who make the cotton carrier. I've got my zoom lens and my Pentax K1 here on the cotton carrier. I was done. I thought I was done with the wetland park, and I'm headed towards the exit. I'm almost at the exit. Then I hear this brrrr, a woodpecker. I have not seen any woodpeckers here in China at all. So thanks to the cotton carrier, I had my camera out within 3 seconds, and I had it zoomed in, and I got those shots. The cotton carrier makes it easy to always have your camera right there on the harness. So, oh my gosh, thank you guys. I owe you for getting that shot of the woodpecker. I would not have any woodpecker shots in China if it weren't for you. No other product I've seen, no other accessory I've seen lets you walk around with your camera mounted there, instantly accessible. I think I'm done. But I've got my camera loaded up here in case something happens on the way out. I'm looking at the exit right now. All right, signing out. I'm done. I'm headed out. I'm going to the Rainbow Mountains. All right, see you later.